Contact with Visegrad Relay was lost last night. All signals flatlined at 2600 hours. I responded with trooper fire teams, which have since been declared MIA.
And now you're sending us.
The Office of Naval Intelligence believes deployment of a Spartan team is a gross misallocation of valuable resources. I disagree.
Commander.
So that's our new number 6.
Cat, you read his file?
Only the parts that weren't covered in black ink.
Anyone claim responsibility, sir?
Oni thinks it might be the local insurrection. 5 months ago, they pulled a similar job on Harmony. Hit a relay to take out our eyes and ears, then stole 2 freighters from dry dock. That cannot happen here. Reach is too damn important. I want that relay back online, Noble One.
Sir, consider it done.
Then I'll see you on the other side. Holland out.
Lieutenant.
Commander, sir.
I'm Carter, Noble Team's leader. That's Kat, Noble 2, Emil and George 4 and 5. You're riding with me, Noble 6. Not gonna lie to you, Lieutenant. You're stepping into some shoes the rest of the squad would rather leave unfilled. Me, I'm just happy to have Noble back up to full strength. Just one thing, I've seen your file, even the parts the Oni sensors didn't want me to. I'm glad to have your skill set. But we're a team. That lone wolf stuff stays behind. Clear?
Got it, sir. Welcome to Reach.
Listen up, Noble Team. We're looking at a down relay outpost 50 clicks from Visegrad. We're gonna introduce ourselves to whoever took it out, then Kat's gonna get it back online.
Get me under the hood, Commander.
Sir, why would rebels want to cut off Reach from the rest of the colonies?
You get a chance, maybe you can ask him, George.
Commander, we just lost our signal with HQ.
Backup channels?
Searching. Nada. Can't say what's jamming us.
You heard her. Dead zone confirmed. Command will not be keeping us company this trip.
I'm lonely already.
Shoot-down attempts are likely, so keep your distance.
Yes, sir.
Let's stay focused. Watch your sectors.
There's the communications outpost.
Even a distress beacon.
Could be the missing troopers. Let's check it out. Put us down on the bluff. Let's go, 6. All right, Noble Team, spread out. Watch the approach.
Distress beacon's coming from just south of you, Commander. We're close.
Structure point 3-4. Looks clear from this angle.
Found the beacon.
Make out any ID?
Negative, but it's military.
So where are the troopers?
Why are we not seeing explosives?
EX residue in the area.
Negative, sir.
Can't be. Not on Reach.
All right, Noble, looks like there's nothing here. Let's move on.
Be selective. You don't need to telegraph reports.
Noble leader, I'm seeing heat sigs in the structure ahead. On your knees, now!
They're not rebels. They're farmers. Look at them.
Ask them what they're doing here.
McNamar kartuk min Holly.
Hiding, sir.
Take nab agyev, asom sidot isha jorladyat. She called us as
Neighbors were attacked last night. We heard screams. Gunfire. Stopped around sunrise. Says something in the fields killed his son.
Something.
Commander, be advised. I'm reading heat signatures in that structure directly east of your position. Over.
Copy that. Get them back inside.
Osman Tom Bepoli.
Noble teams, double time it. Damn.
Fill me in, Commander. What are you seeing? Over.
We've got military casualties, 2 of the missing troopers. It's messy.
Negative. Thermal's clean. Boss, I see movement outside your structure.
Noble 2, move.
Heads up. They're headed into the basement. Move down to the lower level.
Banshees, heads up, Charlie 1.
Excellent work, people.
Area secure, sir.
Warmed up.
Cheer up, big man. His old rally just turned into a free fire zone. Cat, we got a warn hall. I need you at that relay outpost now. Boss, I'm showing more activity to the east. Copy that, June. We're on it. 6, you got point. Commander, seeing more hostile activity to the northeast.
With Cat, 6 and I will run interference on the ground. We'll meet you at the outpost.
Noble 3, requesting airlift. Over.
Get to work.
Suppressing fire.
Don't believe it. I'm seeing heat sinks in the structure ahead.
Get me situated. Fight for me.
clear, Lieutenant.
Picking up a distress signal.
Mayday, 3 Charlie 6. Does anyone read? We were attacked by Covenant forces. The Covenant is on reach. I repeat, the Covenant is on reach.
The troopers?
Let's move, 6. We gotta... So that's a stress call.
No disrespect, but don't we have more important things to do than round up strays?
Please let me know.
Noble leader, I'm seeing possible friendly forces under attack south of your position. Over.
We're under attack. I repeat, Mayday. Mayday, 3 Charlie 6. We are under attack by the Covenant. I got wounded. Cannot hold this position.
We need to find those kids now. Solid copy, Commander. Target Charlie 2. Hold that position. Noble leader, be advised. I have visual on inbound Covenant dropships.
Evac transport, keep your distance.
Be advised, we got Covenant dropship inbound.
Firm. Transport. LZ is clear. Move in for evac.
Affirmative. Transport inbound.
Tangos.
Approaching the comm outpost.
Drop us in the courtyard.
LZ's a little hot, sir.
Put her down, pilot. 6. Breaks over.
That guy's on the
Brilliant work. That's it.
How we doing, Cat?
Taking a little longer than I hoped, Commander. I've cut about halfway through the door.
Attack control.
Spirit inbound.
Where's the rest of your unit?
We got split. I don't think they... It sounded bad on the comms.
All right, Corporal. Stay put. We'll get you a combat surgeon.
Damn. Plasma damage.
Found something.
I'll take that, 6. Not your domain.
I got a live one over here. Come on. Out you come.
Nie! Menianinen! Nie! Hadum bek!
It's all right. We're not gonna hurt you.
Yori nie!
George.
I got her. Keep still, and I'll release you.
Eat Vanak.
What's the status? Over!
We've been engaged! Bad guy coming out!
That Tango group has permission to pursue.
-4, stay on the entrance. 2, handle her. 5 and 6, clear the hole.
Some personal. Noble 5 reporting. Targets neutralized.
Cat needs you to reset a junction. Do it, get back here.
How long?
Question of my life. If the question is, when will the station be back online? 2 weeks, earliest. This is plasma damage. All major uplink components are fried.
2 minutes is too long.
Which is why I'm splicing into the main overland bundle to get you a direct line to Colonel Holland. You're in my light, Commander.
Find out what she knows.
What's your name? Do you live around here? Arnevin George.
Shara.
Shara. C'est Potroznev. Your accent sounds familiar. Shapron?
Tangari.
Friend of yours?
Father.
Sha'ainalong. I'm sorry.
Why would you be?
Big man forgets what he is sometimes.
She just lost her father. She needs a full psychiatric workup.
She's not the only one.
Lock it down, both of you. Get her on her feet. The body stays here.
Thank you, sir.
Signal. It's patchy, but it's there.
I'll take it.
Let's not touch anything. You wouldn't want to ground this place.
Barely getting you. What's your situation? Over?
Colonel, this is Noble 1. There are no rebels. The Covenant are on Reach. Acknowledge?
Come again, Noble 1. Did you say Covenant?
Affirmative. It's the winter contingency.
May God help us all.